Hi YouTube, and now I'm going to present a very different kind of a car. I don't think it's for sale at the local auto dealership, but anyhow, check this out. It looks like a stretch limo with some modifications. Look at that. This is nice, huh? I think this is the future, guys. It's got sort of a, I don't know, industrial look to it. Love that rear bumper. And it is a town car. I like the welding on it too. And the roof is cool. It's got sort of like a rough edge to it or something, some sort of a wing. Yep. How would you like to show up to your junior prom or senior prom in this? Cool. Alright, now that's a nice car.
Camera, Mikey.
Thank you.
Where do you get this camera?
I got it Target.
How much?
That is a nice car. I got it on sale last year. You can get it for about $150 now. That's a beautiful car. Hi YouTube. Check out this window display. I think it's kind of cool. These birds flew the coop. I think they're trying to sell clothes here. I'm not sure. They're not homing pigeons. Birds of a feather should flock together. Cool. Okay, we're leaving the Manhattan Bridge area. That goes to Brooklyn. And here I am, heading back to the highway, to the PA Turnpike. I had a little job here in the city, and now it's time to load this popsicle stand. Golf's running good, has a new coil, new timing belts, new brakes. Just turned 100,000 miles, so things are pretty good. Alright YouTube, I'll talk to you later. Look at that, wow. Yeah, check out all those cars coming in. All those cars are coming in from probably overseas. I'm not sure. And we go over this bridge here, YouTubers. This bridge leads to a secret city. Few have been here. Few have enjoyed its wonders, ate its oysters. Few have enjoyed all its secret places, I guess. I think I can give you a view of it right here. A little bit of a view of it anyhow.